Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to share your Google Tasks with others. Now for this, you need to use Taskboard. You can see I'm actually logged in with my Google account. And to get here, you just go to Google, type in Taskboard, open up the first link. They're going to ask you for permissions. Go ahead and give it the necessary permissions. It basically syncs all your Google Calendar tasks as well to your Taskboard. Okay. So let's say I want to share this list right here. All I need to do is click on these three dots. So these are the list for my personal life. This is for my work. I'll click on these three dots, click on share list. Okay. And as you can see, if I click on copy link, it's copied to my clipboard. So I go to my messages or email, you can share the list with them. And you can share up to 5 lists with the free version. If any time you want to stop sharing that list, because they already have the access using the link, you can click on stop sharing. Okay. It's going to give you this prompt. They're not going to get any future changes. Click on stop sharing again. As you can see, now the list will basically stop sharing any future updates. That it's really that easy and simple.